Alright guys, so Mr. Veeder essentially promised that you would have one like this on the quiz, so I wanted to take a minute to look over this one and break down each piece so we can really understand what it is that we need to do without making it look scary. So as he told us in class, we need to take this in 4 parts. So we're going to use our common like terms for each part. So first we have -3 times 2, and we know that that is -6. All right. Our next step is the x's, and we are doing an exponent function of x to the -4 times x to the -2. Now we know when we do multiplication then that means addition. So we're adding -4 and -2. Now if I owe you $4 and I borrow $2 more, I now owe you $6. So it is -6. All right. We then have our y's, and that is y to the 3rd times y to the 1st. And pardon me, that is a -1. So again, if we take 3 and we add -1, we're essentially subtracting 1 from 3 and we get y to the +2. And lastly, we have z to the 5th times z to the 2nd, which gives us z to the 7th. All right, so now we have our 4 components. So let's rewrite our equation here. We have -6 x to the -6, y squared, and z to the 7th. Now, we know we can't be done yet because there is a negative exponent right there. So what we need to do is switch his team. So I'm just going to move him down here. Oh, hold on, guys. All right. There we go. Come on. You guys. All right. It is going to be -6, and we're going to keep that y squared up there, and we are going to keep that z to the 7th up there, and we are simply going to move that x to the 6th down here. And if you need a cleaner answer, it looks like that. So we know that -6 doesn't come down because it is its own coefficient. It does not belong to a variable. So we don't need to move all over negatives as soon as we see a negative. We can have negative numbers, just not negative exponents.